Dr. Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in the town of Biñan, Laguna. In 1870, at the young age 9, Dr. Rizal entering the school at Biñan, Laguna. On June 22, 1861, was baptized in Catholic Church. June 10, 1872, Dr. Rizal examined in San Juan de Letran College in Manila to study medicine. In 9 years ago, Dr. Rizal received many awards in his school. In 1882, May 3, Dr. Rizal left Manila to study in Singapore, France, and etc. In many years past, Dr. Rizal received many awards in the other country. In 1887, Dr. Rizal wrote his first novel, Noli Me Tangere, in Berlin. In 1891, Dr. Rizal wrote his second novel, El Filibusterismo, in Belgium and Holland. By 1892, Dr. Rizal returned to Manila and he formed a civic movement called La Liga Filipina. In December 1895, Dr. Rizal married to Josephine Bracken in Fort Santiago. In December 12, 1896, Dr. Rizal wrote his last novels, My Last Farewell, in prison. In 1896, December 30, Dr. Rizal shot in Luneta. December 30, 1896, President Aguinaldo proclaimed December 30 the day of national mourning.